Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. If you follow me, you know that I love highlighter. Like, I love highlighter. It's one of my favorite makeup products and one of my favorite makeup brands that comes out with highlighter that is like, I have to get it almost every time it's released, is from Chanel. They just launched their holiday 2021 collection. I only got the highlighter because that's really the only thing I was interested in. No, I'm lying. I was kind of interested in like the, it's like a liquid highlighter, but you know, I'm not gonna lie, this highlighter it's kind of pricey. That's not the front, this is the front. It's kind of pricey. It's $45, but it's $45 that is if you're looking for a luxury dewy wet highlight. Like, Chanel will not let you down. And I'm saying this from experience. I'm saying it from, I've already purchased 4 different ones in the Baume Essentiel line. So they're good. These are the ones I already have. This is the new one that I just dropped on the floor. New one I just dropped on the floor. So yeah, we're gonna talk about this one. So if it's something you're interested in, definitely keep on watching. And yeah, let's get started. I will swatch all of them for you here, but we're gonna focus on the new one. So this is a new one. It's for the holiday collection. It's called Or, which I think is how you say gold in French. If you speak French, comment down below, let me know. I know in Spanish it's Oro. Yeah, let's open it up. I swatched it already for Instagram, but you know. Now, the difference between this and the other ones is because it's holiday, it comes with the golden C's versus the traditional white C. Just makes it a little bit different. Comes in the metal container, and you twist it up. So let me get in closer, you could see how gorgeous is that. So I'm gonna swatch it. I'm excited to swatch it for you guys. I think I'm gonna swatch it on this part of my palm just so you can see the glow. So I'm just kind of going like that. Hold on, because the camera is wanting to focus on my face and I want it to focus on this. That is not a good swatch. All right, let me stand up and swatch it for you. So now if I turn my hand, there you go. You can see the glow. So it's definitely, it's got that clear base, like if you are familiar with Sculpted, but it has these little pretty gold flecks. You know, there you go. Now you can see it. So I'm going to compare it quickly to Sculpted. So we'll just do Sculpted next to it. This is the difference between Sculpted and the gold, is that Sculpted has more of like that pearlescent in it versus this, which I feel like it has more of a clear base. This is almost reminding me of, where is it? The one that was released recently. This one is called Perlescent. This was the last launch a few months ago. Yeah. So Or, Sculpted, and Perlescent. So definitely Or is more, it's golden, but it has that clear base to it. Yeah, I would say it's a safe option. It's going to work across the board from fair skin to deep skin because it has that gold in it. It's not glittery. It's the most minute sparkle, like minute sparkle ever. It has less pigment than Perlescent and Sculpted for sure. Like, it almost reminds me actually more of the transparent one, which is the clear one. If I can swatch it next to it. transparent is just a clear balm. See how my hand, like it looks wet? That's transparent, again, or Sculpted and Perlescent. So that's them. I'm gonna put it on my face so you can see. All right, so I'm gonna take it. Now, I kind of go work off of this, but you can use it on directly to your face. So I'll do that for this side. See? It definitely gives a wet, dewy glow. Let me turn my face. You can see that. I like that it's not very gold, like it's not very pigmented, or like they said, the base is more clear, so it doesn't give you that weird gold shift. I don't like when highlighters are very, very yellow gold. I hate that. This is not like that at all. Let's do this side. And you can just take that and kind of go to your brow bone. There you go. If you see my brow bone, you can see like the glow a little bit better. Oh my god. Yeah, this is like that dewy, wet look. And like I said, don't be shy because it's golden or anything. It's not yellow gold. But look at that. The light just catches my cheekbone. So nice. You can also take it right off your finger and go down the bridge of your nose. This can also be used underneath makeup. It can be used as a lip balm. I'll put it on my lips real quick. See how pretty? On my lips it actually showed up a little bit more. So nice, so pretty. You can also take it and put it on as eyeshadow. It just gives your face like this really gorgeous, like twinkle highlight. Very pretty, very pretty. If you are a fan of Baume Essentiel, you're gonna love it. It's gorgeous. Again, I personally feel like it works across all skin tones because it has that gold in it and it's not crazy pigmented or anything like that, so it's going to show up nicely on somebody who's fair skinned, but also if you're deep rich skin tone, because it's golden, it's not like a silver, it's going to complement your skin very nicely. So definitely worth it. But again, of course, I'm talking like I love Baume Essentiel, so I knew I was going to like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you leave a like. If you're not subscribed, definitely consider subscribing. It means the world to me. It helps my channel out a lot. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Bye!